Hello everyone and welcome back to another software review video. Today we are going to review Bitflows, which is a powerful WordPress automation plugin that brings advanced no-code workflow creation directly into your site. With its intuitive drag and drop visual builder, users can easily connect apps, set up multi-step workflows, and automate complex processes without writing a single line of code. It supports seamless integration with over more than 160 platforms, including Google Sheets, Mailchimp, Shopify, Eliminator, WP Forms, and more. Designed as a true alternative to Zapier within WordPress, Bitflows offers unlimited tasks, workflows, and steps, giving users full freedom to build without restrictions. Its smart tools like router, iterator, delay conditions, and repeater allow you to break down data, route logic dynamically, and schedule actions with precision. Whether you are handling a e-commerce marketing, CRM syncs, or customer support, Bitflows help you to automate it all with ease. Bitflows also stand out with its advanced conditional logic, real-time logging system, and the ability to create custom triggers and actions. Whether you are a beginner or a developer, the user-friendly interface and comprehensive features make automation both accessible and powerful. If you are ready to supercharge your WordPress workflows and streamline operations across platforms, Bitflows delivers the flexibility, functionality, and performance you need right inside your WordPress dashboard. Now let us get started. To get started, log in using your user ID and password. So this is the central dashboard of Bitflows. You can see different Bit apps are displayed here: Bitform, Bit integrations, Bit Assist, Bit Social, and Bitflows. We are going to review Bitflows. So you can just click on the view details. We have actually purchased the full version of Bitflows, and this is the web page of Bitflows. You can see Bitflows in my purchase, and you can view the details of your purchase, and this shows that this ID is active. To get started using Bitflows, you have to first log in into your WordPress account, and then you have to install the plugin Bitflows, and then you can start using Bitflows in your WordPress dashboard. You can download WordPress free version from here also, or you can download the pro version from here also. Now I've successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard. Then after logging into your WordPress account, just click on the plugins. You can see all your installed plugins here, and just search a plugin named Bitflows, and then you can add and install the plugin here and start using Bitflows. So this is the plugin. Just click on the install now, and it will be added and installed to your WordPress account. And then click on the activate to activate this plugin button. And now you can see this Bitflows is active. You can see in the list of the plugins installed in your WordPress account, and you have different options like dashboard, flows, connection, webhook, custom app settings, support. For now, we are clicking on the dashboard button, and upon clicking on the dashboard button, the dashboard for Bitflows will show up. So this is the central dashboard for Bitflows. You can see the details of top executed flows and total executions here. But since we have don't have created flows for now, so nothing is displayed here. Now let us take a look at this flows tab. Under flows tab, you can create a new flow just by clicking on the create flow button. You can start with a template or you can start with blank also. We have two templates available here. One is requiring pro and another is free for all the users. This is the generator for email marketing. It is automatical or mail. It will write automatic mail to the customers. So let us take a look at this template. So in this template, the trigger is eliminator form. Whenever forms receive new record, and then it will go to MailerLite to create a subscriber, and then it will go to Brevo to create a contact, and a new mail will be sent to that particular person. You can just click this flow and run this flow by clicking on the test flow once button. And also you can edit this template. This template is fully editable. You can use many apps which is displayed here. All the apps are available here. More than 116 apps are available here, like Albato, Drip, Essential, Fluent, Form Builder, Gamey Press, Gozen, HubSpot, Hostel, Kali Forms, Mailchimp, Make, Member, and all the different apps like Shopify, Spectra, SureCard, Tally for Uncanny, and different popular apps are available. And WordPress itself is available for integration, and then you can create new type of flow, and you can edit the template and create a new flow. And just click on the test flow button once to run this flow. And since we don't have any data in the forms, it will be going to be a dummy run. uh, During this dummy run, if there is any error in the template, then it will not run. Otherwise, successful running ensures that there is no error in the particular flow, and it will work successfully in the real life scenario also. And since we don't receive any error message, this shows that our flow is good to go. And since this is a template, so no need to bother, because we don't have uh, tweaked anything in the template. We are just running this template. And upon clicking on the particular action like mailer light, you can just choose a connection or add connection if there is no connection available. And you can just make changes to these things. And this is elementor form. Uh, this will create a response. The listener will stop automatically after 3 minutes when you are doing dummy run, since this is for dummy run. But in real life scenario, you have to connect your Elementor form account, and then you can use this particular uh, feature of the particular flow. And in the log history, you can see all the logs in the which time the particular flow was executed, and all the details about this particular flow. Now let us create another flow, but this time we are going to create the flow from blank. We are going to create the flow from scratch. We are going to add everything manually and change all the settings manually. And the first thing that will appear, that you have to select an app for trigger. And since there are 160 plus apps, but all the apps are not available for trigger, so you have to choose the particular app you need for trigger. You can just click on this select an app icon, and then it will be used for trigger. And dragging and dropping the app from the left side window will just create an app for action. But at first we have to create an app for trigger, so we are going to delete this and just click on the select an app for trigger. And then you have to choose the particular app. Since Google Sheets is not available for trigger, so we have to choose among these apps available for the trigger. We have many apps like forms. Forms are good trigger for any particular flow. Whenever user fills up a forms, then it will be trigger and the flow will run automatically. You have also plenty of options like Shopify and different AR forms, Cognito forms, DB builder, Fluent support, Formala, Give WP, Gozen forms, Ground Hot Dog, Google Forms. For now, we are going to choose Google Forms for our trigger. Whenever the user will fill the Google form, then the details that the user has filled in the Google form should be added in a Google Sheet. So I'm going to make one automation, a flow, which is just do one thing, that whenever a user fills a form made by me in the Google form, then that particular details will be uh, automatically entered in the Google Sheet. But this Google form is available for only pro users. So let me just switch to my pro account. And in the uh, free trial version also, you get access to the pro features for 1 day if you request access. Now we have switched to this pro account. This pro account is available for us for 1 day. And then let me create one new flow. Just click on the create new flow from blank, and then on the select an app button, I will have available the Google Forms options also, because it is a pro account, and in pro account you get all the access to the pro features. Then just click on this trigger on form submit. So whenever an user will submit a form, then this flow will be triggered, and this flow will automatically record the data entered by the user in Google Form, from the Google Form to our Google Sheets. And this is the callback URL, and then just close this, and you can make changes anytime you want. You can change this callback URL, or just copy this callback URL, and then you can take a look. And in the action I have to add Google Sheets, so I will just search Google Sheets here, and then I will drag and drop Google Sheet icon to the action. And one number is trigger and two number is action. The action is Google Sheet, and then just double click on this Google Sheet button to make changes in the particular thing. And you have to do one thing, the Google Sheet select action, you have to select action. Either you have two actions, add a row or append or update a row. So I'm choosing add a row. Upon just filling the form by user, a new row will be added for the new data, and you have to add the connection. You have to write client ID and client secret here. These two things are going to be filled up by yourself. So client ID and client secret, you can find the credentials from here button. Just click on this, you can find credentials from here, and then you can successfully enter your client ID and client secret. For the client ID and client secret, you have to just give the information of app, and then enter the details of the audience, and then write contact information, and then after successfully filling OAuth, you can get your client ID and client secret. So we have successfully added Google Sheet, the secret and client ID, and this flow is ready for running. Anytime you can run this flow. And in the connections, you can see the details about the connections. In the webhooks tab, you can see all the details related to webhooks. This is the untitled webhooks. You can just copy and paste. And in the custom apps, you can take a look at the custom app. You can build your new custom app just by clicking on create new custom app, and you have to write the app name and description. You can choose logo and theme also, and then click on create, and your custom app will be created. Now let us take a look at the pricing plan of Bitflows. Bitflows offers simple and transparent pricing with full access to all features regardless of the plan you choose. Whether you are just starting out or managing automation across multiple client sites, there's a lifetime plan tailored to your needs with no hidden restrictions on features, workflows, or tasks. The starter limited plan is ideal for solo users and supports one site, giving you multi-step workflows, unlimited tasks, workflows, and advanced conditional logic, all backed with lifetime support. The Plus Limited plan expand access to 5 sites, managing the same powerful automation capabilities and is great for small teams and freelancers managing multiple projects. For more extensive use, the Professional Limited plan supports 50 sites, making it suitable for larger teams, agencies, or developers handling a higher volume of workflows. At the top tier, the Developer Limited plan supports 100 sites and includes a split payment options. This is designed for serious automation professionals or large agencies needing robust site coverage and scalability. Each plan includes powerful tools like router, repeater, iterator, instant webhook, text formatter, JSON parser, custom code functions, and even AI integration and email parsers. You also get lifetime updates, unlimited support, and a 14-day money back guarantee. No questions will be asked. Bitflow is significantly more affordable than other WordPress automation plugins and SaaS tools with no usage caps or extra fees for integrations. It's built to give you full automation freedom while keeping cost predictable and manageable. Thank you very much for watching this video.